How to use Mt4 on iPhone. The real name of Forex market is foreign exchange market, and sometimes it is termed as Forex. It is a well-known worldwide market for the exchange of currencies. The sole purpose of such market is to find out the values of currencies from different regions of the world. The purpose of Forex trading is to abet investments in trade by allowing currency of one country to be converted into another as needed. Usually what occurs is that in Forex trading the nation pays the nation according to the requirements of the other nation, even if that is not the national currency of the second one. The uniqueness of this particular market is that it is spread globally. It is geographically disseminated across the globe so that each country's currency can be measured alongside another. Secondly, the Forex trading market trades at a very high altitude. This would mean that the market values change ad infinitum and leads to theory by the public as well as the officials involved, as they have no power over what goes on. According to previous year and 2010 triennial central bank survey synchronized by the Bank for International Settlements, standard income every day was more than $3.90 trillion in April 2010 as compared to $1.7 trillion in 1998. Of this $3.90 trillion, $1.5 trillion was spot foreign exchange transactions and $2.5 trillion was traded in out and out forwards, Forex trading, swaps and other currency derivatives. A vital factor affecting the Forex trading market would be the list of effects that exchange rates that is geopolitical, environmental as well as economical factors as they the market psychology towards the investment. There have been many attempts to properly deduce the market, but none have been entirely successful, as they could not have been able to fully incorporate all the points that the Forex holds. In the end of the year, it has been calculated that Forex trading had made some nice profit by the end of the year of 2010.